It's the chop shop. You know what it is. Always have safety on. Wear your safety gear. But today's episode's going to be a really extreme one. Today's extreme products got a hold of the chop shop, and they want Mr. Chop Shop to be sponsored by Extreme Connected Home. If you have the needs for security and you got that psycho girlfriend, psycho boyfriend, look no further. We got Extreme Connected. It's a camera. It's kind of like that other one that's not so popular. Doorbell, bling, or whatever it's called. No, this is what it is. Connected by Extreme. It's the chop shop. You know what it is.